Indigenous literature of the Philippines primarily developed in the oral tradition, in narrative and poetic forms.
Sir, like epic poems, proverbs, legends, songs, and riddles.
Yes, that's absolutely right. It was passed on from generation to generation through oral recitation and incantation through the various dialects and languages of the country. Now, the most complex out of these early literary forms were the epics.
Complex, sir, dahil masyado itong marami at mismo mga ninuno pa natin ang pinigmulan ng mga ito. At mula sa kanilang mayamang imahinasyon at pantasya, halos lahat, sir, ay tungkol sa pag-ibig at kabayanihan. At kung isa-isay natin ang mga ito, sir, sa dami nito masasabi natin na napakayaman ng ating kultura bago pa dumating ang mga kasila sa ating bansa.
Very good, Cecilia. Yes, Sunshine.
Sir, hindi po ba kayo ang teacher?
Well,
Bakit nakikilecture sa inyo si Cecilia?
Magpa-participate lang ako.
Well, we don't need to hear it, okay? I mean, we're not even interested in what you wanna say. May teacher naman tayo eh. Masyado kang...
alright, that's enough, ladies. Students, please turn your textbooks to page 31. Since you're at the front seat, why don't you read the first paragraph?
You are, huh?
I'm someone who wants to learn.
Wala naman pumipigil sa'yo, ah. Read on, girl.
Eh, naiingin nyo! Nakakastorbo kayo eh!
Just deal with it, smart ass.
Smart ass pala!
Let's see if I had this right, okay? Migs, as the president, should take you to the ball. Ay nako, Selena, why don't you just go straight to the point? Wala kang kotse and you need a ride.